In Reykjavik, remote designer Mina tests a new workflow as harbor fog rolls in. Her modular setup fits in a backpack, keeping travel light through winter days. She shares tips: offline backups on 2 drives, a noise-canceling headset, time-box sprints, daylight-aligned schedules, and weather contingency. A park bench becomes a stand-up desk when the wind bites, and a cafe becomes a creative hub as the aurora flickers outside. By embracing new people and places, Mina finds focus, collaboration, and the freedom to work from anywhere.